Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Jan and Ma'am Imelda Sator. Today is January 4. We would like to report you our first video regarding our sanitary line, the water line from the downspout, which is both sides are being layout with sanitary pipe with 6 inches orange pipe with of course our standard size is orange PVC 600 series. So this is our line, and this is our very helpful construction. There is the layouting of the sanitary. Here is our pipes, our mixer.